Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Grand Tour from Kolkata. Today we are going to Bokhali, which is 128 kilometers from our home. So let's start our journey. We are now crossing Santoshpur. Today in this video I will suggest you the most suitable path to Bokhali from South Kolkata. So those guys who stays in South Kolkata may follow this path which I'll suggest. We started our journey at 7:30 am in the morning and the speed of our car is now 35 to 40 kilometers per hour approximately. But in my opinion, I will suggest you to start your journey at 5 am in the morning, otherwise you will face the traffic of the city. This is Sulekha. We are taking left turn towards Baghajotin, then to Baghajotin Bazar Road, then to Raipur Road, then we'll take turn towards Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road, then Baburam Ghosh Road, then Karunamai Ghat Road, then Motilal Gupta Road, then towards James Long Sarani, and then finally towards Diamond Harbour Road. So much confusion, but don't worry friends, I am giving the link of the map in the description box below. Please check it out from there. As earlier I told you that I am providing you the most suitable path to Bokhali, but this is not the shortest path. The shortest path is from Patuli to EM Bypass Extension, then to Baripur, then to Amtola Road, then Diamond Harbour Road. But we are forced to choose the road within Kolkata as EM Bypass Extension from Kolkata to Baripur is not in good condition. However, EM Bypass Extension from Baripur to Kolkata is still drivable as per the research of my husband. So we have decided to follow that road while returning back. Before reaching Diamond Harbour Road, let's talk something about Bokhali. Bokhali is situated in South 24 Parganas. For visiting seasides nearest to Kolkata, we generally prefer Digha and Mandarmani. But this time for a change, we think to visit Bokhali. Although my husband had visited Bokhali once in the year 2007, when Namkhana Bridge was not constructed and also lack of good hotels and facilities was there. So he was not having any good experience at that time. Let's see what will be our experience this time in the year 2020. One thing friends, I must tell you, this is a one-day outing because of the pandemic. We are not going to stay anywhere. Also, we have carried our food along with us. Now we are crossing Joka. Above you can see the newly constructed metro station. This is Kolkata Metro Line 3, Joka's Planet Metro. Now we are on the Diamond Harbour Road. This is basically a single lane, so it is keeping us engaging all the time. Driving in this road is not at all relaxing, it is very much engaging. Those who are planning to drive to Bokhali through this road, please keep your eyes on the road because anytime Toto, van, bike or cycle may come in front of your car. Now we can see two roads, one going straight and other towards left. Our Google auntie is insisting us to take the left turn. As we love our Google auntie so much, so we are taking the left turn. This is Utsi Road. This road is quite narrow but less congested as compared to the Diamond Harbour Road on which previously we were travelling. After driving straight for some time, here is another right turn. This is heading towards Netra Road. Now we are on the Netra Road. Friends, Do follow this path, that is left turn to Utsi Road, then again right turn to Netra Road. What Google Auntie is suggesting, as this will save your 15 to 20 minutes. Again we are on the Diamond Harbour Road. One thing I must tell you, that limit the speed of your car from 50 to 60 kilometers per hour to avoid the harassment from local police. Now we are on the Namkhana Bridge. This bridge has been built on March 2019 over the river Hatania Doania to give smooth and swift ride to Bokhali. Previously, the tourists travelling to Bokhali had to waste their 30 odd minutes on the ferry itself. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It is exactly the copy of the second Hooghly Bridge. We can say it is a sibling of the second Hooghly Bridge. Sorry friends, in excitement I forget to shoot the videos of the ships sailing in the river Hatania Doania, but don't worry, I will show you that while returning back. After crossing the Namkhana Bridge, we find this toll plaza. Here, the single side journey costs rupees 15. This is Fraserganj. Bokhali is 8 kilometers from here. Oh, I can see so many windmills are also here. Two roads are there. We will take the left one going towards Bokhali. And finally, this is Bokhali. My husband is saying that earlier when he had visited Bokhali, only few hotels were there. But now I can see so many beautiful hotels. Obviously, I am talking about the outer look of the hotel. Cannot comment anything about their inside. I can see full of hotels both the sides of the road. And here is our final destination. Thank you, Google Auntie. Time is almost 12 noon right now, so we take 4.5 hours from South Kolkata to Bokhali. This is the parking place in Bokhali where we are going to park our car. Feeling so relaxed. After so many months, finally I am in a sea beach. There I can see the beach. Fresh air, my God, feeling so relaxed and relieved. Green coconuts, wow, I love them. Friends, one thing, this is not the sea, it's a creek. That is, it is an inlet from the sea. You can cross this creek by simply walking knee-deep water. After crossing the creek, you will get another beach, and finally after that you will find the sea. But we just moved only half of the way in the creek because of my daughter. She is very naughty. Look at her. So happy is she. Slowly, Mama, slowly.
Yay!
Look friends, this uncle is weaving a fishing net. Time's up. After spending 45 minutes in the sea beach, now we are moving back to our car. Many local shops are here. See? Similar type of market I had seen in Digha also. One thing I forgot to tell you friends, in the parking place they have charged rupees 60 from us for parking our car. I think this rupees 60 is valid for 24 hours. That is a day, for one day. Here is a small temple near the beach. Now we are on the way to our home. We are returning back. As I had told you, I will show you the vessels in the river Hatania Doania. So we have stopped our car for a while on Namkhana Bridge for shooting the video. Here you can see the vessels sailing on the river. Okay, so at last this one-day tour is done. Now friends, I'm going to suggest you that route through which you can save your couple of minutes while returning back. So we will drive Bokhali to Amtola via Diamond Harbour Road. Then we will take right turn towards Amtola Baripur Road and then to EM Bypass extension, through which finally we will enter Kolkata. Now it's 5:10 PM. It is almost becoming dark. And I think we are going to face problem in driving as the road is very congested. Right now we are crossing Diamond Harbour. And here arrives our problem. My God, so congested road. It is almost the examination of the patience of the driver, really. Pathetic condition. And finally we entered Kolkata. It's Patuli. We take almost 4 hours 30 minutes to reach Patuli. It is 8 PM right now and 15 more minutes left to my home. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do give a thumbs up and don't hesitate to comment if any from your side. Bye bye and take care.